In this video, I'm going to discuss my new YouTube channel and the type of content you can expect on here. So welcome everybody and let's get into it. Hey everyone, it's Graham here and welcome to my brand new YouTube channel. Well, to be fair, it actually has been around for a while. I think I actually created the channel about this time last year. But it's just taken me a little time to get the courage to actually get in front of the camera, take action and publish my first video. So here we are, my first video. I really hope it's not too terrible. In fact, pop some comments down below and let me know what you think about this video. But I just want to say welcome to all of you and thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I know your time is valuable, so I really do appreciate it. On this channel, I will cover topics such as online marketing, entrepreneurship, and investing. These will cover things such as YouTube channels, affiliate marketing, e-commerce, dropshipping, advertising methods, and so on. I'll also be doing some reviews and comparisons for products that are needed for an online business, as well as doing a few time challenges here and there. That's not the full list of things, but it's some of them. So basically this channel is centered around tips, tricks and strategies to help you become successful online and make some money online. And I think the way things are currently with this pandemic taking the world by storm is you need to start learning different ways to start earning some additional money, some good money and hopefully money that can actually replace your current job. So I think it's extremely important. So essentially this channel, it's more about you than it is me, even though I will be showing you some of my progress along the way. As I learn and do things in this business, I'll then create videos to help guide you along the way and basically break down into bite-sized chunks your path to online success. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. If you did, please hit that like button as it'll really help this channel grow and help with the YouTube algorithm. Don't forget to also subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss any new releases from me in the future. I would love to try and build a solid family and community on this channel. Thank you so much for watching everybody. Have a lovely day and we'll chat soon. Take care.